Macros 82. This is usually where I get my Gundam kits from. They have everything from like 144 to master grades and perfect grades, but the only problem we have is that the store where I usually go to, like they only carry like only so many paints. They don't have any Tamiyas, they don't have any Mr. Hobbies. Usually I get my stuff on Amazon and stuff like that, for the reason that this place is only it's a comic book store. It's pretty big. It's in Miami, Florida, and that's it really. So I'm just gonna leave you with a video of what they have, and pretty much the prices are kind of a little bit overpriced too. So I have to like travel literally all over Florida to find like kits. If anybody knows about where I can find like a place where I can find Tamiya paints and Mr. Hobby, just let me know. And thank you so much, and hopefully you guys subscribe to my channel.